Hey y'all, in this video I'm just going to go through some of the top instructions from your sheet just to get you started and show you a couple of things on the item sampler website. And yes, I am filming this on the day that my voice is kind of not really great, so I'm sorry if I sound weird. So as we look at the top of our page, the first thing it says to do is fold your scratch paper into eighths. So your scratch paper is going to be your green paper. What you'll do is you'll take it long ways, you'll fold that in half, so we don't get a really thin half sheet, but we get a thicker half sheet like this. Then on that edge that is folded, so as we look here at this top edge, I'm going to take that and fold that in half. So now I have this kind of almost square piece, and then if I have that like a little tent, that top part, I'm going to fold that in half one more time. That will give me a pretty good sized rectangle piece. And then I'll open that whole sheet back up, and I will be in eighths. It then says label 1 in the first box, 2 in the second, 3 in the third, so on and so forth. You can go do this going down, or you can do it going across, then down, however you want to label those. So I have 1 through 8, and I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then on the back it does say go up to number 9. So on the back you'll have to put number 9. It says this will be the paper for section 1. Do the same thing with the second scratch paper and label 1 through 10. So again, on one side you'll have 1 through 8. And then on the back side of this one, you'll have 9 and 10. So now you can see that graded. Number 3 says write your name on both papers. So you can write your name wherever you want. I just wrote it on the number 2 box. You could write it on the back where there's blank spaces. Write your name somewhere. As we're following along, we're now on step 4, which is telling us to go to the website. So type this web address, bit.ly/MCA scavenger hunt 22. Make sure that you use the capital letters. It is case sensitive, and you will end up at this website. You will type in your name where it asks for your name. And then click Start. You'll see it says Section 1, 9 questions. And you'll see this question: which sequence is arithmetic? First thing to do, look at the top of your screen. How many questions are in this section? Write that down on the blank. Choose your answer to this first problem. Then you'll write down your answer in box 1. So it says, which sequence is arithmetic? You'll decide on an answer, and then let's say I said answer A, so then I would write down, the answer is not A, but I would write down A, and then I'd write down 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So this is what I would write in that box if I thought the answer was A. It's not A. Then you click on the notepad and type in why you think that, and then you can close your notepad. Continue moving on to the next question, following the instructions on your paper. This will take you all the way through question 9, telling you what to write or put down for each thing. If you have any questions, come and ask me. For section 2, it says it doesn't have any specific question instructions, but says try these with a partner. What do you not see at the top of section 2? And then it gives you a helpful hint for number 9. There are 2 answers. Make sure you choose both of them. Then section 3, it asks you to play around with the background, foreground color changer. And there's a picture to show you where to find that. And then try these with a partner as well. The last thing is to turn this paper and your 2 pieces of scratch paper into your teacher when you're done, and make sure you staple them so they're all nice and neat together. That is when you are done. When you are done, you can then work on completing any of the quizzes or any other classwork you might have to get done. Once you've turned that in, you are done with this assignment. Good luck.